Hello everybody, welcome back to Donald 9 Douglas 10. As you can see, I've built another engine inside my little train yard. And this is the London, Midland and Scottish Railways Jinty. So yeah, I just finished him last night, or finished it last night. And now we can build him. So let's get started. So we're going to go down to the tracks, take a red wall, place it 2 blocks above the tracks, and make it 3 blocks wide. Then we want to add pistons on the sides. Add a lever in the middle, pull it down for the coupling. And then we want to add levers underneath the red wall like that to extract the pistons for the buffers. Then we want to add another brick fence on the left like that for a brake pipe. Then we want to take black wool, go in the middle, and make a segment that's 15 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we want to do the same thing in the back. Make red wool 3 blocks wide. Add the pistons on the sides. Add the lever in the middle, pull it down. Come on. And add levers underneath. And then in the back, we want to add another brick fence, but this time on the right, like that. So let's start working on the wheels. So we're going to go down here, skip a block from the end, and make a circle shape with nether brick stairs. Like that. And we want to skip... Oh. Then we want to skip 2 blocks, add another circle shape. Skip 2 blocks, another circle shape. Then we want to add a ladder right behind the third wheel with upside down nether brick stairs and a slab underneath. And then we want to add another ladder behind the first wheel like this. Then we want to add stone brick slab from the back half of the first wheel to the first half of the back wheel. Like that. And we can also add nether brick slabs on the edges. Then we want to do all of that on the other side. So add nether brick stairs in a circle shape 3 times. 2 blocks of space between. Add the ladders. Oh. Add the stone brick slab. And then add the nether brick slab on the edges. So after we're done that, we can take black wool and fill in all the gaps from the nether brick slab. Place 2 right there. Place 2 right there, and then place 1 right there. Then we want to add the same thing on the other side. Yeah, it's kind of hard to add it in spaces where the stone brick slabs are. Like that. Okay, so now we want to take nether brick slab, add 2 of them right above the first driving wheel for a little wheel cover. Now let's start making the smoke box. So let me just grab materials for that. Go fence gate. The iron bars, and we also need those, and those. Okay. So now we want to take nether brick slab, add 2 right there. Then we want to add 2 nether brick stairs behind them. On both sides. And then fill in the space with black wool, I believe. And then we want to add a plus shape on top. And then add nether brick stairs in the corners. Then we want to take black wool, place it 2 blocks tall right there. And then we want to extend the plus shape forward by 1 block. So that overhangs. Like that. Then we want to take a sign, add it right there. I believe that's supposed to be the number plate. And then the lever underneath. A lever underneath for the shed code, I believe. And then we want to add dark oak wood fence gate on the right side of the sign for basically a door handle or something, I don't know. And then we want to take iron bars, add it alongside the smoke box as a little handrail. Then we're going to go to the back and start making the coal bunker. So we want to take black wool, skip a block from the end, and make it 3 blocks long. We then want to make it 3 blocks tall. I believe that's... Yep, that's 3 blocks. Yep, 3 blocks tall and 3 blocks long. So we basically want to make a box around. And we can also fill in the floor. Okay, so now we want to add a part that overhangs right here. So basically add a 5 block wide row like that. And we can replace these 3 block of coal, black wool with block of coal. And then we can add a fence around, nether brick fence around like this, like that. Then we want to take black wool, add 2 blocks right there. And then we want to add 5 blocks wide right there. Then we want to add 3 blocks tall of black wool like that. And then add 4 blocks tall in the front. So 3 blocks tall in the front of that, and then 4 blocks tall in front of that. And then we want to add gray stained glass in the corners, like that. Then we can connect the sides with nether brick slab. And we can also add a black wool wall in the front. Then we want to take nether brick slab, add 3 in the middle, basically connect the cab. Oh, it looks like I forgot to add the windows in the back. So then we want to take black wool, add a wall right here, but leave out 2 blocks right there for the iron bars. And then we can add block of coal right here, and then add 1 like that for a little coal detail. And then we want to add black carpet on the sides to make everything 1 color. Like that. So, then we can start making the side tanks. Let me just grab some materials. So then we want to basically skip a block from those 2 nether brick slab and make a 3 block tall wall on the side. Then we want to knock out 2 blocks right there, right in front of the cab for the British Railways logo. So then we want to place red concrete behind and smooth sandstone in the front, like that. Do it on the other side. Skip a block from the nether brick slab and add a 3 block tall wall. Leave out 2 blocks right there. Red concrete behind, smooth sandstone in the front. AKA, the red concrete's on the left, the smooth sandstone is on the right. So now we're going to make the rest of the boiler. So we want to basically extend the plus shape all the way back to the cab like that. And then we want to add 2 blocks on the sides in the back. But for the rest, we want to add another brick stairs. Yeah. And then we can also add a wall right here of black wall. Then we want to add 3 blocks wide of black wall right there. And basically continue the boiler like that. Then we want to add an iron bar right there for a little handrail. Or just a little rail. And then we can also add 2 oak fence gates right there, open. So that we get our 3 whistles-ish. And then we want to add a dome right there of black wool. And then we're going to take black carpet and add it on all the exposed parts. Yes, all the exposed parts. And now we're going to add the lamps. So in the back, we want to add a block of quartz right there underneath the coal bunker. And in the front, we want to add a block of quartz right there for the lamp. And then the LMS, the 3F Jinties piping on the side of them. So let's add that. So we want to take an oak fence gate, add one right there, and then underneath the this iron bar, we want to add an oak fence. Please. Add an oak fence right there. So that we have some yellow piping. On the other side, they don't have the piping. Now let's, oh yeah, we have to add the interior. You can continue the floor right there. So let me just grab some materials and then we can start making the interior. Yep. So then we want to take orange wool, place one right there, and then we want to add an iron trapdoor in front of it, add a lever on top of it, and pull it down, so that we have a firebox. Then on the right of the iron trapdoor, we want to add a cobblestone wall. On the left of it, we want to add a ladder, and then above the ladder, we want to add an item frame, go diagonally right on top of the lever, and add another item frame. Then on the left of the top item frame, we want to add another brick fence and add another one on the right too. So that we get our cab detail. And then we also want to add a block of coal right there in the back. So I believe that's all we need to do for the LMS 3F Jinty. Let's just take a look around. We haven't forgotten anything? Nope. Well guys, that was the LMS 3F Jinty in Minecraft. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!